Won't you rub your
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Barma for those who do not know me, and if you're here for the very first time, you are most definitely welcome. Please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and don't forget to like, share, comment if you enjoyed this video. So today's video is this hairstyle that I have right here. So I have a wedding to go to, so I'm in a hurry right now, but I'm just, gonna show you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to know how I did, please stay, enjoy. So the wig cup I will be using is the make your own wig braid wig cup. I will be using the FreeTress crochet synthetic bouncy twist out braid to install the crochet. And as you can see, I am using an entire twist out to crochet the hair or to crochet on the wig cup because I don't want to separate the curls. What I saw with this hair is if you try to separate the curls, the twist out loses the curls. So I don't separate the twist out at all. I just use the entire hair to crochet, and it comes in huge twist outs like so. So I'll go ahead and install the entire twist out into the crochet wig cup, and after that I will show you what I will do next with the wig. Okay, so now that I'm installing the hair, you guys can see my hair looks ridiculously crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down and put the wig on my hair as a pony. So what I will be using is the Gorilla Snot gel to lay my hair down because my hair is pretty stubborn, so I need something stronger to tame it. With the XX Gorilla Snot on my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush to lay down my edges, and I will be doing that way. I will be doing it that way. Honestly, the way you want to lay your edges is completely up to you because it's your hair, it's your edges, and you know how you want to lay it. So this is how I want to lay my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and use an edges brush to lay them down. Now that the edges are laid, I pulled some of my side hair to create like a twisty sideburns type thing, and I'm gonna show you guys how I kind of made the curl from that sideburns. I don't know what that is called, but hey, I'm gonna call it sideburns. So I will be using my Eco Styling Crystal Gel to kind of like twist the hair to create a curl. My hair is really falsy, so the curl is gonna be very tight, but everybody has a different hair. If you have a 4B hair, you might have some loose curls, but I had really tight sideburn curls, and I'm not angry at it because I love my 4C natural hair. Okay, so now I was trying to go ahead and show you guys how my hair looks after I covered it. My sister tried to hijack my video. Anyway, let's get into the video. So I waited for about 20 minutes because I had to put my makeup on, so it took about 20 to 30 minutes, and the hair was not completely dry, but it was, you know, it was looking alright, and I kind of appreciate how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. So this is how I installed the wig. I did not put the wig on the entire hair. I just put it at the back just to create some kind of a ponytail in the back. So then after I put the wig halfway, so it's completely up to you. You can put it higher than I did, but I put it kind of like almost to the back of my hair, and then I used bobby pins to secure it. So guys, this is the final look, and I am so glad I was able to create this look. You can get this hair at Sam's Beauty. I will leave the link down below in my description box. You can also get it anywhere, any beauty supply, but I'm gonna definitely leave the link down below in my description box. Who's that? It's you! If you stayed through the entire video to the end, you are such a loyal follower. I really appreciate you, and I love you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new on here, like, share, comment if you enjoyed this video. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I love you for watching. Bye.